SAS Interview question and answer. Question number 71. How do we use data step merge to get the same result as left join in case of Proc SQL? This question is asking about how can we get exactly same result from two different methods. One is data step merge and another one is Proc SQL left join. In case of the left join, it returns all the records from the left table and matching records from the right table depending upon the joining condition. That means following code is used to get the same result from data step merge as well as Proc SQL. I'm using here two datasets which I have used in question number 70. These two tables are employee and department. I'm using these two tables to get the same result by data step merge as well as Proc SQL left join. Let me explain first data step merge. In case of data step merge, before merging statement, we have to sort the data. That's why these two lines of code, Proc SQL sort employee by department ID run, it sorts the data employee table by department ID. And next one is proc sort data department by department ID run, it sorts the data department by department ID. Now we have two set of data employee and department, but they are sorted by department ID. Next step, we use data step. Data final underscore data. We use merge statement. Merge employee, that is sorted employee table. In option is used. In is A, suppose. Department table, in is B. They are merging by using department ID. If A, then output. That indicates that it displays all record from employee table and common record from department table depending upon department ID, because these two tables are merged by using department ID, and run. When we run this first set of code, then it will generate result as shown on the below table. That means output from data step merge, where it has 6 records and 6 variables. We know that in case of employee table, it has 6 records and 5 variables. That's why it has displayed all the record from employee table and it has merged with department table and taking only one variable, that is department name. Similarly, in case of Proc SQL left join, Proc SQL create a table left underscore join, suppose it's a table name. Select e.star, that means e is alias name for employee table. The star indicates all field from employee table, comma d alias name for department, dot department name. Only we are going to select department name from department table. From employee E, left join department D on e.department ID equals to d.department ID. That means joining condition is department ID. That means these two tables are joined based on department ID variable. Order by department ID, that means we are going to sort the data, final data by department ID and quit. When we run second set of code, it will generate the result as shown below. Output from left join, where it has 6 records and 6 variables. Result is exactly same as data step merge. That's why we can use these two code to get the same result in case of data step merge as well as Proc SQL left join. If we run the same set of code with a SAS window, then it will generate the same result. Let me go through the SAS window and run these two set of code. This is a SAS window. It has four set of code. First one is employee. First set of code that generates the employee table. Second one that generates department table. After then, we are going to sort the data, employee and department. Next step, that is the data step merge, and next one is final one is Proc SQL left join. Let me run all set of code at the same time and see the result. Let me run this code. First one is, it has this says here we have four different tables. First one is employee. It has 6 records and 5 variables. Second one department. It has 5 records and 2 variables. Third one is data step final. It has 6 records and 6 variables. The next one is left join. It has 6 records and 6 variables. Let me go through first data step merge. This is the result we obtained from data step merge, where it has 6 records and 6 variables. In case of employee table, there are 6 records and 5 variables. That's why ID, name, salary, department ID, and manager ID. These all records that they can exist in case of employee table. That's why it has displayed all record from employee table and merge with department table, taking only one field depending upon the department ID. That's why it has shown here 6 variable. It has merged with department table, only it has taken only one variable, that is a department name. Let me go through the Proc SQL. This is the output from left join. The result is exactly same. In case of left join, it displays all the record from left table. Left table means in this condition employee table plus common records from the right table depending upon the joining condition. That means the common records from the right table depending upon joining condition. We have joining condition is department ID. That's why we get the same result. In this way, we can obtain the same result from two different methods. One is data step merge, another one is Proc SQL join, left join. That's all about question number 71. Thank you.